Hello dear friends, in this lecture we will learn about first shifting theorem of Laplace transformations. Now first of all, what is its statement? We know that Laplace of a function ft is a capital Fs. Here f is small, it is a capital F. Then show that Laplace of e raised to alpha t ft will equal to f bracket s minus alpha. This is the statement of first shifting theorem. It simply means that if we have given a Laplace of any function and if function is multiplied with e raised to power something, then in answer s will change into s minus alpha. How to prove it? First of all, we have given fs is equal to Laplace of ft, and we know that definition of ft is 0 to infinity e minus st ft dt. Set number 1. Now we have to find the Laplace of this thing. Now we will apply the definition. What is the definition of Laplace? 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st ft. Now this is my whole ft function. So instead of this function, we have taken this whole function here. Now combining these exponential functions by taking minus t common, it becomes like this: s minus alpha t ft dt. Now put s minus alpha as a s dash, where s dash is s minus alpha. Now this expression is just like expression number 1. Here s, so we can write it is fs. So here s dash, we can write this expression as fs dash. Again putting the value of s dash here, s minus alpha. So we get Laplace of e raised to alpha t ft is equal to fs minus alpha. Is it okay? It simply means if a function is multiplied with exponential function, then in answer s will change into s minus alpha. Now we will tell how to do the problems. Formulas. We already discussed in the lecture 1 formulas of Laplace. Laplace of t raised to power n is gamma n plus 1 s raised to power n plus n. Now we have to find new formulas related to first shifting theorem. If this result is multiplied with e raised to power alpha t, then what will happen? According to shifting theorem, it will become n plus 1. Instead of s, here it will come s minus alpha. Okay? Whenever you have to apply first shifting theorem, you have to must know that s will change into s minus alpha. Other formula remains same. Like Laplace of sin at is a upon s square plus a square. If this sin is multiplied with the exponential function, the whole formula remains same, but only s will change into s minus alpha. So this will become a s minus alpha square plus a square. Is it okay? Are you getting? Similarly, we know the formula for cos at, s upon s square plus a square. When it is multiplied with the exponential function, it becomes s minus alpha square plus a square. Now look at here, there are 2 times s. So we will change all s into s plus alpha. Similarly, we have the formula from sin at. Sin at formula a upon s square minus a square. When we multiply it with the e raised to power alpha t, it becomes a s minus alpha square minus a square. Is it okay? You no need to learn these formulas. If you know these formulas, you can simply apply second shifting theorem by replacing s into s minus alpha in the formulas. Okay? Now take up problem number 1. Find Laplace of t raised to plus 1 into cube e t alpha. Students, you must remember that whenever in the problem there are 2 terms multiplied with each other and one is an exponential term, then you have to leave that term and find Laplace only this term. Firstly, we will find the Laplace of this term. What is this? A plus b whole cube, a cube 3ab square 3ab plus b cube. On expanding this, now we will use linear property of linear transformation, separate the all terms, and we know the formulas. It is an integer, so Laplace of t cube will be 3 factorial s4, Laplace of t square will be 2 factorial s cube, Laplace of t will be 1 over s square, and Laplace of 1 is 1 upon s. Now we have to find the Laplace of this whole expression. So by first shifting theorem, when we multiply e raised to power 2t with this expression, what will become? In answer, s will change into s minus 2 it is 2 s minus 2 raised to power cube 3 s minus 2 raised to power square plus 1 over s minus 2, because here my alpha is 2. So in this formula, in this result, we change s into s minus 2. Next example, find the Laplace of this one. Again there is an exponential term, leave it. First of all, find the Laplace of this term. In order to find the Laplace of this term, we will use the formula of 2 sin a cos b, multiply with 2 and dividing by 2, 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b, 3 plus 1, 4t, sin a minus b, 2t. Now find the Laplace of this expression. We know the Laplace of sin a upon s square a square. Similarly, a is 2 upon s square a square. Now we have to multiply with e raised to power minus t. When we multiply with e raised to minus t, what is alpha here? Here alpha is minus 1. So formula get changed. It become s plus 1 square plus 4 square. Similarly, s plus 1 square plus 2 square. This is the answer. You can simplify it more. So in first shifting theorem, all formulas work when you change s into s minus alpha. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.